Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome to the PayPal tutorial for Prism. In this video, we're going to show you how to use the PayPal function, and basically this video is also going to be geared towards the juice drop that's happening tonight, just so we can make sure that everyone's prepared. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and test the PayPal function on Kith, just because the juice store website has a password on right now. So we're going to use a test profile. For tonight's juice drop, we definitely recommend you have accounts and use them for each task. The reason being is that the last hype drop that happened on juice, they did require accounts and it was PayPal only. But for this example, obviously we're testing on Kith, so we're not going to log in. Go ahead and use a random product from Kith. And we're going to turn on CAPTCHA because I know Kith has CAPTCHA. And this is the most important thing. You want to make sure you toggle on PayPal. And for the mode, we recommend using advanced or safe tonight. The main reason being is we tested PayPal and it works really well on advanced and safe. So those are probably the two best modes to use. And for your proxy list, we recommend either DC proxies or residential. We don't really know what sort of bot protection they're going to have, so maybe like 1 or 2 tasks of each. And we're going to go ahead and create. Alright, so now that we're on the main bot page, I'm actually going to go ahead and duplicate this real quick so I can create 2 tasks, because I want to show you guys the options you have when using the PayPal function. So you can go ahead and if you highlight a task and then you right click and click PayPal, it's going to go ahead and open up a PayPal window. So you can go ahead and log in ahead of time, and once you're logged in, you'll be sitting at the main PayPal window. And then you can go ahead and start your task and you'll already be logged in and it'll redirect you once you get to the checkout stage. However, I just want to warn you guys that if you are inactive inside the PayPal window, you will be logged out. So if you plan on pre-logging in, just make sure that you are maybe every 3 minutes just refreshing the page by clicking a different tab or something like that. And if you plan on pre-logging in on multiple tabs, we recommend obviously that you have multiple PayPals, because it won't work if you try logging into the same PayPal through various tasks. The main reason being is that it's actually a security feature from PayPal. So if I'm already pre-logged in on the first task and then I try to log in on the second one, it'll automatically log out my previous session on the first task. So just be aware of that. For tonight's juice drop, we actually recommend that you don't log in before. The main reason being is we are going to be using a variety of different modes per task and also different type of proxy per task. So let's say I had 5 different tasks. You don't really want to have to worry about pre-logging in and refreshing each window and making sure that each window has a different PayPal logged in. Instead, what I definitely recommend is having like your notepad up and having your PayPal logins ready to go. So whichever task actually gets to the PayPal checkout, go ahead and log in real quick and then check out. So I'll actually show you guys what this looks like. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to run both tasks. Alright, so it's going. Alright, we get CAPTCHA. I actually don't have any one-clicks right now. I just burned through all of them this morning. So we'll go ahead and go real quick. Alright, so now as you can see it's going submitting payment, submitting order, and then the PayPal window will pop up. So as you can see, got PayPal window that popped up. Second one should pop up as well, and you're going to go ahead and log in and pay that way. So hopefully this video kind of explains what the PayPal function does inside Prism, and I hope all of you guys cook tonight. Alright, good luck guys. And there will be a written guide in the release guides channel shortly.